Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can use status symbol or status field in money.com. So as you can see here, I have my leads here, and right next to my leads I have this status column. Now I've added this status column to keep a track of which leads I have here. So the first two leads are new leads, so I mark them as new leads using this status column. Now the third lead, let's suppose the third lead is uh, a lead that I have contacted, so I select this one. And let's say the fourth lead is disqualified, so I select unqualified, and that's it. So basically what status does is status basically gives you the status of your leads or whatever you're managing into your money.com account. So in this way I can easily know which leads are new leads, which leads I have contacted, which leads are yet to be contacted, and which leads are unqualified. So it makes the workflow very easy. It makes it very easy for you to understand new leads and contact them and sort out unqualified leads and basically improvise everything. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.